Hi there, this is Muhammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we'll try to be learning about some of the colors and swatches. So without any further ado, let's get started. So welcome back to the world of Adobe Illustrator, my friend. We've got colors there, which I have already taught you in the previous tutorial. And the next thing that we do have, that is color guide. So we are having color guides, like you can also call that, you can also consider that tints. So tints, one color darker or maybe lighter. See, we've got more sort of colors inside that of art history, pop art. Have a look at this, my friend. So that is what is something that you can find sort of a specific color inside that of the color guide. Like we have got food colors there. See, beverages, fruits, you can find fruits colors, scientific. Have a look at this, my friend. You can work on it according to what you are designing in Adobe Illustrator. Let's have a look at the swatches, my friend, which is I think so much interesting. So we have got the swatches there, which you can make swatch there, which I have already made swatch there and I made you understand in the previous tutorial. And so we do have more of the options inside that of the swatches panel. Like we do have different sort of designs and different sort of group colors, and we do have more of the colors there, like scientific and so more. And then we have got show color swatches. This is something like that. Show gradient swatches, show pattern swatches, show color groups. Have a look at this, my friend. Swatch options, this is something already I have taught you. Make sure to click on global. You can also create a new group and you can name that. Hit OK. I have created new group by the name of F. And if we have got a new sort of swatch there, if you want to make new sort of swatch there, make sure to click there. And if you want to name that, make sure to double click there, or maybe single. And then you can also change the color mode of that, HSB, or maybe CMYK, maybe lab, maybe wave safe RGB. And then you can go ahead and proceed that. But you have to be careful about that. If you go for spot color, you cannot have global option there. So make sure to check on process color and then check on global, and this time hit OK. So you must be observing that we have created sort of a new swatch there by the name of UU. If you preview that and you can just move the slides there, then you are good to go and change the mood of that and change the color of that. Similarly, if you want to delete that, make sure to click there, make sure to delete that out, and have a look at this, my friend. Have a look at this, my friend. Let's have a look at this option, my friend, edit or apply color group. Reset that. You can also reset that, and you can also move the slider there. So this is what you can benefit that, my friend, and you can apply that. So we'll try to be learning more of the things in the coming tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye. Take care.